Hey everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Nay. Today I have something very exciting for you small YouTubers or people who aren't even YouTubers that just want free stuff. So I'm just going to tell you guys about this little program called Influenster. Basically what it is, it's kind of like a social media site for like sampling products and reviewing products and stuff like that, and they send you free stuff when you make an account and connect your social medias. You don't really need a lot of followers. I really don't have a lot of followers or subscribers, and I still get free stuff. And I just wanted to share it with y'all. It's super easy to sign up. You could just sign up with my code below. This isn't sponsored or anything. I just have my code, or you can just type in Influenster and do it yourself. But today what I'm going to show you is just a little like sneak peek of like some of the things you could get. You get more than just makeup. You can get makeup, like food, and like you get makeup, food, like what's the craziest thing I got for? I've got like what are they? Those sour straws. I got some of those before. Like you can get all kind of like crazy stuff in these boxes, and it's fun. And I get them a lot, and I don't have a lot of subscribers. So imagine if you have a lot more than me. Like right now, Instagram, because you connect your Instagram, you connect your Twitter, you can connect your Facebook, just either one of those social medias, and it like however many followers and friends you have and all that goes towards your score or your points or whatever it's called on Influencer, which goes towards your like probability of you getting a box. They're usually called Voxboxes, and each box has like a different name. Like I'm gonna show you my one that I just got recently, and I'm gonna show you the one before that too, and you'll just kind of see what you can get. So let's just do a quick unboxing. This is my box. This is the last one I have. It's kind of small. I've had ones that are bigger than these, but it's so exciting when like you get that email saying you're in for the next Voxbox. So I'm just gonna open this up and show you guys what I got. So when you open it, it looks like this, and their main goal is just to get you to, they really want you to take pictures and share and do reviews on the website or the app or whatever. You can get the Influencer app. That's what they mostly want. You answer surveys and things like that, and the surveys help determine what they're gonna send you. So this is what I got in this one. This was called the Cheek Voxbox. They all have like different themes and stuff, and on the back of this card that comes in here, it tells you everything that you have in your Voxbox and the social media platforms of the brands of what you have, and it shows you the pricing. So let's start with the first thing in here that I've already used, and it is this EOS Evolution Smooth Shaving Cream Sensitive. It's fragrance free. It is and it's for sensitive skin, I believe, I guess, since it says sensitive. This is pretty big. This is a pretty big size of shaving cream. I don't really shave. I get waxed. I only shave my legs and my armpits, and I've used this on my legs, and it works great. Like it feels like you know when they tell you like to shave a conditioner and it'll like be smoother? This is what this feels like. It's like thick like that. I don't want to show y'all. I don't want to put it on me, but yeah, this is cool. I've already used this, and this is good. And you get this big thing in this box for free. $3.99. I expected it to be more, but alright. This was $3.99. You get this for free in this box. Next, what I got is this NYX mascara, Worth the Hype what is it? Worth the Hype Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. This is, oh, it's buildable. This buildable formula actually does what it promises. Get up to 8 times the volume with darker, fuller lashes. I'm gonna try this. See, I didn't even read about this. I just got this like maybe a week ago, and I've been on vacation, so I only got the chance to use the shaving cream. But now I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna have to set this to the side for tomorrow. Yeah, this mascara is $8. So we're already up to like what, $13? Girl. Next thing in here is the Korres Pomegranate Ahas and Enzymes Resurfacing Mask. Ooh, this is a little expensive. Natural Resurfacing Face Mask, powdered by glycolic acid and pomegranate grains, and it extracts to purify the skin and minimize the appearance of pores. Okay, I need to try this too. This is what it looks like. This is the brand, if you couldn't really understand like what I was saying. Anyway, I probably like put it on the screen so you can look it up, but and this right here what is this? Okay, for the 75 milliliter. So this is just like the 10 milliliter. The big one costs $34. So this is a little expensive. I'm gonna have to use this. This might be some good. And then next what I got is just Hair Food by Clairol. I probably won't be using this, not on my hair. But yeah, you get all of that in here. This adds up to probably like, what, almost $30? Yeah, just about, well, over $30. If you count like the full size of that face mask. So you get all of this in this box for free. And all they do to get the probability of getting things more, all you have to do is review it on the site, or you can like take pictures and send it in on Snapchat and send it to them as well. And you'll get a lot of new stuff all the time. And you'll get that email that says, hey, you're in for the next Voxbox. And you'll get to be excited like I am. I get a lot of use out of these boxes. Like this is probably like ever since I've signed up, I've probably gotten like 4 or 5 boxes. And every box I've used quite a lot of things in it. Then Influenster is a great thing. If you want free products without buying into some program or something, or without having a lot of subscribers or followers or anything, all you need to do is sign up for Influenster, and they'll send you stuff all the time. They send me stuff all the time, and look at me. Look how small I am. You see how many subscribers I have? None. This video is not sponsored. They probably barely know who I am. They probably don't know who I am. I'm just a part of the, you know, I'm just signed up. The more you review, send Snapchats, tweet, hey, thanks for my Influencer box, blah, 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 the more like you get to get more stuff. I really do that, and I still get enough boxes. I get a box, probably a box a month or every other month. So you can get more than me. So yeah, that's basically I don't want to talk about. I just want to help you guys get free things so we can all be happy and feel like, you know, we're big YouTubers and we're on somebody's PR list, you know? So thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, leave video suggestions. I always ask for that because I don't know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in my next video.